can't see. Hey, oh, this is a smart idea. Hello?
No, I can't hear.
You're heading out?
Where are you going? Hey, fuck off! These fucking crazy car people! Look at these fucking people! Just standing around in some parking lot!
Excited.
Whoa! Oh fucking shit! No!
Hey, baby.
He said shit, dick! He's a shit dick! Oh!
Why do they have a couple D's and double Z's?
Is that a guitar?
No, girl's a car.
A guitar!
Get
Yo,
a guitar
I
from
like his style.
A guitar! A guitar, GTR.
I mean, you don't get the crispy.
Look at it. That motherfucker was pulling like shit on the highway. Well, I fucking lost my fucking glasses doing fucking roller shots. Now I can't see shit. This is the one I was getting rolling shots of. No!
Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's so pretty, bro. Look at it.
Video game sponsor, Polyphony.
I can't see, bro. Okay.
You picture
Hold
the
on,
shirt?
I did it again.
Might as well.
We give to shelters so they can afford bedding and toys and food.
I'm recording.
So I
Who
told
was it
you
again?
What's up?
Who was it again? I'm recording.
Mopar Mayhem and Southern Maryland's Finest Auto Club.
Even though it's an ugly ass
Bye! 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 Thank you for coming!
Seriously, it has a RPM limit. So,
I gotta go! But thank you!
Level 2 unless
It means a lot!
the motor
I can't see!
The motor on this car is only $600.
He won't let me say goodbye to people! Ah! This guy here won't let me say goodbye to people!
Shut the hell up, kid. Put the window up. You let my
I
heat
can't
out.
see
My heat is
things.
very scarce in an electric car.
I can't see things! You at action?
Pass me on 210, boy.
Bye! Thank you for coming! I love you! Follow me on Ugly Griffin! Instagram! Bye! Black fuck, that's his tag. Are you following us, bitch? What's the car doing? Motherfuckers. Fucking dick.
Night.
Yo, so I'm home. I can't see shit, bro. It's like I made it home. I'm gonna try to see if I can get some glasses tomorrow from somewhere cheap.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.